All right, here we are at the Lancaster Convention Center, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. There's my assistant. Feel like we should have whack-a-mole over there. This is before all our bags of lighting. We're going to be checking out the new Blizzard Polaris today. Here's our new Polaris, 2 washes, bags of pars. And we'll show you what it looks like with the uplighting here in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. All right, here we are, 3 hours later after wiring everything up. There's the Polaris on the wall. I don't know how well you can make that out. There's the Polaris on stage. There's Blizzard lighting on the stage. There's the Polaris in the back wall, shooting about 50 feet.